Wow, it's been a minute! What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be how to clip in your extensions for a ponytail. So if you have clip-in extensions, like so, I'm going to show you how to throw them up into a ponytail to make it look super natural, super seamless, smooth, but also to give you lots of volume and length in your high pony. Because personally speaking, when I throw my hair up in a high pony, no matter how long my hair is or feels, you just like lose so much length because you're putting it all the way up on the top of your head. So my favorite trick lately has been to clip in my clip-in extensions into my ponytail and really just give myself that extra length and volume that I love. And it's super easy, so I want to show you guys how to do it. But before we begin, if you've seen any of my previous videos, you will know that Ana Luisa is one of my favorite jewelry brands, and they reached out to partner again with me on this video. So I want to give you a quick update on the jewelry pieces I'm wearing, because honestly, I could not be more obsessed. So this is the Temple Green necklace, which when I first picked it out, I thought it was going to be combined, which still cute, right? But no, these are literally separate necklaces. And they have amazing extensions already built in, so different lengths depending on how you want to style it, which I love. Same with the green one, the Temple Green pendant. I put this on the second shortest, so you can see there's a little chain there now, but that's how I wanted to style it, like with this lower cut jumpsuit. So it's super nice because you can kind of play around with it. But then also, well, let me get into the bracelet last, because last but not least, the ring that matches, right? How cute. This is called the Michelle Signet ring. I'll link everything below, obviously, and they're having 20% off the entire site. I don't know if I mentioned that yet, but one of the biggest sales of the year. Perfect for holiday. Okay, I think I'm gonna get my sister the set. Marissa, if you're watching, shh, because green is her favorite color. And I wore this ring already, and she was like, oh my God, I love that. So, girl, you know what you're getting for Christmas, okay? Shh. But like I said, last but not least is this Aura bracelet. So it's giving like a watch, right? Like a watch chain, but there's no actual watch on it. Like, I don't even know where to begin. I've been looking for a piece like this for so long, and just the quality, like it's so thick. It's just a dream. Literally, I've worn it like twice and I've already gotten so many compliments on it. Like, where did you get that? So I'm like, okay, Ana Luisa, 20% off, baby. Wait, actually, I need to find what the jewelry came in, because literally, like, aside from the jewelry being so cute, like, look at the ring pouch. Like, are we kidding? For travel? Like, how cute are these? You can put all of your jewelry in it. Like, all my rings will go in here now. Boom. Okay, and then like the necklace, there's a bigger one, so I have two of these for my bracelets now and for my necklaces. Okay, so cute. So yeah, anyway, I just wanted to give that little spiel before we hop into how to put this ponytail up, or how to clip in your hair extensions into a high pony. So without further ado, let's get into it. I want to show you what my ponytail looks like before I put the extensions in, so we can get an idea. I don't know where my hairband went. Okay, so here's a quick idea of what it would look like without the extensions, okay? Okay, she's cute, but you know, it's just not giving the way we want a high pony to give. So let's clip in the extensions. This is such a quick hairstyle. That's why I was like inspired to make this video, because I've been wearing my hair like this all the time, and it's so easy if you have clip-in extensions, so I want to show you. Okay, so personally I use one 3-clip weft and one 2-clip weft in the back, and then just two clips in the front. Obviously, depending on the thickness of your hair and how much you need to make the ponytail like blend, you can kind of play around with it, but that's what I'm going to show you. So like I said, I'm going to start with the 3-clip weft first, and I'm going to section my hair almost like halfway across, if that makes sense. Sort of like right above, a little bit above where my ears are, almost like where the temple is. Kind of like where the widest point of my head is. I'm just going to take my fingers and just make a section just like that. And if you can see, and then literally, I'll just take the three clips, and you want to flip them towards going this way, because that's the direction of the ponytail. Just like that. So now they'll be like in the direction of the way the ponytail is going to go. So it feels a little funny when you flip your hair back up, but trust me, it makes the ponytail super seamless. So then I'm going to feel it with my fingers again, and literally like right above where I clipped that 3 clip weft, I'm going to section it so you can see there's where the 3 clip weft is. And then I'm going to take just a 2 clip and put that right like underneath where I put the 3. Just like that. So then it'll all be going in this direction once we do the ponytail. So boom, and literally since it's going up into a ponytail, I don't hairspray or anything at the root. If you feel like your clips aren't staying, go ahead and do some hairspray, but like I said, this is like day 3 hair for me, so there's some oils and things for the clips to grab onto. No worries there. Okay, so now the top weft part, I'm just gonna take my hair kind of as if I would take it half up. Let me squat a little lower so you can see this. And then I'm just gonna go like halfway. Halfway from like the top of my head, if that makes sense. So that's like kind of where I section it. Close, you wanna get as close as you can sort of to the base of where the ponytail is. So that way your extensions will be as long, or your ponytail will be as long as the extensions are, but also you don't want to clip it too far back so that it gets caught up in the ponytail. So there's basically where I make the part for the top pieces or the top wefts to go. And then literally super simple. Again, clipping these towards the direction of the ponytail. So these are going to go back. Like that. Boom. Clipped. And then the same concept, like feel it with your finger and just find like right where the clip was that we just put. Just get a little section of hair. And then put your second clip down. Sometimes the clips don't want to stay if you get too close to the other clip, so you just kind of feel around. But boom. Okay, so now we're clipped in the direction of the ponytail, so obviously it feels a little funny right now with my hair all the way down. So now that we're all clipped in, super simple again, just flip your head, gather all the hair in the direction of the ponytail. And I like to just whack it up. Whack it up. I like to just put my hair up to start, like without smoothing or anything. Just get it in the direction that we want it to go before I smooth anything down. Because I find it's easier to smooth it down once it's already up in the ponytail. I'm going to take this kind of smoothing brush, work the smoothing brush all the way around my head, basically. Just push the hair back towards the ponytail. Obviously it's going to be a little bumpy because this is the first pass of the smoothing brush, but once you get all the way around, we'll take the ponytail out and then redo it basically. And honestly, I do that about 3 times, or basically as many times as I feel like I need to get it smooth. So that's what I'm going to show you. And for me, it just adds the perfect amount of volume and a little bit of length to make my ponytail a little more dramatic. Okay, so now we're looking a little smoother. I'm going to take this out again. And just gather. Whew. Really just take your time with this step. Getting it smooth is like my favorite part. So once you've got your clips in where you want to, just take your time smoothing that ponytail down, and that will really complete the look. Okay. Where's my coffee? Oh. Okay, so we're looking pretty smooth at the moment. I'm gonna go back in after I get it like pretty smooth down. I'm gonna take this type of smoothing brush, a little like finer bristles, softer, and this helps really get those little bumps smoothed out. So again, just going all the way around with the smoothing brush. But you can tell with the way clipping the wefts in the direction of the ponytail, like I'll show you the back, it's super like seamless. Like you can't see where the clips are. And then same with the front, right? Like you can't even tell. Focus. You can't even really tell where the clips are. It really just looks like your natural hair. I've used the ponytails in the past, right? That like clip on and then you wrap the hair around, which are cute, but this is really giving like natural. Okay, like this is my hair. You see the ponytail, okay? That's why I like it. Because no one ever thinks I have extensions in when I have this ponytail on or in, because of the way you clip the wefts. So that's why I wanted to share, because this is such a simple hairstyle. Like when I'm not filming, it'll take me 10 minutes to really put everything together. Nice and easy. So I'm just gonna go in one last time. Ooh, with that smoothing brush. And really make sure we're all smooth out. We're looking pretty good. Let me back it up. Last but not least, take your hair gel and smooth that shit down. So I'm taking my Echo Gel, and I'm just gonna go all along the base of my head. Don't forget the back. Add a little more to the back. And then after I smooth it down with gel and go back in with that final smoothing brush, sometimes I'll redo the pony just one last time to make sure it's as smooth as possible. So I'm probably gonna do that now. And then I obviously have to do my baby hairs. One last pass with the smoothing brush. Really just locks it down once that gel is on your hair too. Boom. Alright. This is my last time doing the ponytail. I know it seems a bit redundant to like literally keep tying it up and then untying it, but like I said, tying it up and then smoothing it in that direction really helps control, in my opinion. So try it like that. If you struggle getting a smooth ponytail, just whack it up into the ponytail and then start smoothing it down while it's tied up, because that helps direct the direction of the hair where you want it to go. I'm like looking at this mirror that's like 7 feet in front of me, so I'm like, this is smooth, it feels smooth. Oh. Okay, it feels good. Feels good. Let me check. Yes. It's giving a slight bumpage right here, but at the end of the day, only makes it look a little more natural, right? Okay. I'm happy with it. So now I'm taking my edge brush, make these nice and laid. Get my beautiful bracelet in the shot, okay? Get those edges nice and laid. This just really pulls the ponytail together. Sorry, I have to see what I'm doing. Edges are an important step. I used to use a toothbrush. If you've seen my
how to French braid your own hair video. I use a toothbrush to do this. I have now invested in an actual like edge brush, so there you go. But if you don't have an edge brush, okay, a toothbrush works just as well. Just as well. Boom. This is really it, y'all. Like, so simple, and you can like brush it out, brush the extensions in your regular hair together to help them blend. But like I said, with my natural hair texture and with my extensions already being like pre-styled, it like blends perfectly, so I don't have to even heat style it once I put it up in a pony, which is another reason why I love this hairstyle. But literally that's it. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. I'll show you my beautiful pieces one last time. I'm literally obsessed with this green. Like, I never used to wear color in my wardrobe. I was always in black, okay, hello. But now I'm starting to dabble more into color, so I see that's being reflected in my jewelry as well. Literally my new favorite bracelet in the world. Obsessed with all of these, so don't forget to check them out. And the link's down below, 20% off the entire website. Love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Always the peace sign, right? It's always the peace sign.